Welcome to Library Tutorials, How to Place an Item Request. Log into your library account. Find the item you want by searching the library catalog. When you find what you are looking for, click the title. A window will pop up allowing you to see the status of the item. Not all items can be checked out of the library. Some are for use in library only, and this will show in the status bar. Most items can be checked out if it is not currently checked out. If the item is not available at your home campus, you can request an available copy from another campus. Click Request this copy. When the pop-up request window appears, click on the green Send Request icon. You will see the message your request was successfully placed when your request goes through. The turnaround for requested materials is 1 to 2 days, allowing library staff to pull your items. If your item was requested from another campus, the turnaround time is 1 to 2 weeks. An email will be sent when your item is available for pickup. You can retrieve your request from the circulation desk, or, if picking up after library hours, from the smart lockers on the outside and to the right of the main entry. A separate video on how to access the smart lockers is available for viewing. Some reserve items like laptops, hotspots, cameras, and other equipment cannot be picked up from the smart lockers and must be picked up at the circulation desk during regular library hours of 8 to 4. Items that are being picked up from the smart lockers will be held in the lockers until the date in the email. If you must change your pickup date, please contact the library and inform us of the new date. Call 808-235-7338 or text 808-731-2275 or email wccref@hawaii.edu. Mahalo.